How to link menu to section on Wix. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do it. If you don't know what that means, it's pretty much, you have your menu items, and if you want, you can actually go ahead and make an anchor, meaning if you click on a menu item, instead of taking you to a different page, it's actually going to scroll to a specific section that you have on that page. It's called, anchoring, so this is what I'm trying to show you in this video. And by the way, it says Wix Studio on the top left corner, but this is going to be for the default Wix site. So let's just go ahead, without further ado, get started. Click on Edit Site and open up the site editor, and then from here we are just going to set up the different things. First is going to be the section itself. Secondly is going to be anchoring it with a name and stuff like that. Thirdly is going to be pretty much setting it up on the menu itself. So it's going to be a very simple process, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So I'm actually going to show you after this is done loading. Okay, so once this is done loading, I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down, and let's say we just want to add a section here at the bottom. Okay, so let's just go ahead and give this section a name, and let's call it let's just call it test anchor. Let's go with that. And then from here, I'm just going to add an element real quick to it, so it's not going to be empty. So let's just go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so now that we have this section ready to go, what we need to do is go ahead and click on Add Elements. Be near this section because we want to do something to it. So go to Add Elements and then go to Menu and Anchor. Once you go to that, we're just going to find the Anchor option, which is going to be right over here. And there's going to be only one option for the anchor, which is going to be this blue squarish thingy. So just go ahead and drag and drop it inside the actual section itself. It's going to be invisible, so don't worry about it. And give it a name. So pretty much it's going to be mostly the same name as the actual section. So I'm just going to name it, what was the name again? Test anchor. There you go. Once you do that, we're pretty much good to go. And you can even copy the actual URL, so it's going to be test anchor. This is going to be important, but not really necessarily important too much. You can copy it or not, it's up to you. But anyways, what we need to do now is pretty much go back to the actual menu itself. In my case, it's a hamburger menu, so I'm actually going to remove that just so we can make it clearer for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab a horizontal menu instead. So it's going to be easier for us to see. Let's just drag and drop that right over here in the middle. Okay, so I'm not even going to design the menu right now. I'm just going to keep it as it is and show you exactly what you need to do. Pretty much click on it and click on Manage Menu. Now from here, what we are going to be doing is creating a new menu item. So just click on Add Menu Item. And then from here, we simply just want to select Anchor. So once you do that, we want to click on section and anchor, and then which page is going to be the home page, and then where on this page it should say section, whatever it may be, and then we just want to scroll down until we find test anchor. It should be with an anchor icon, and also it's going to also have the same name that we just gave it. So you have these two options, and it does actually give you the option to select a specific section, but we're just going to go for the anchor one and click on Done. And now it should actually be created here for our menu, as you can see. Yep, it's a little glitchy here. But anyways, I'm just going to save and now preview. Click on preview. And obviously, the rest of them are just going to take you to different pages and stuff. But this one, if you click on it, it's actually going to allow us to scroll down to this section right over here. Now, what I'm not sure about is, was that a glitch or does it actually glide through? Let me just test it again one more time. I refreshed the page, and let's just click on test anchor one more time and see if it just, snaps into the section, or does it actually move into it, ease into it. So preview, and then just let's click on it one more time and see how it actually looks like. Yeah, there you go. The first time was a little bit glitchy. It was just kind of heavy, but it's going to just glide down. So let's just go ahead and do it one more time. And actually, instead of adding an anchor, because this is kind of interesting, what I'm going to do is just rename this section instead of adding an anchor. So let's just go for this one name this section purple. So let's just go ahead and click on the section name like that. Rename it to purple. And then from here, what I'm going to do is just go back to the menu itself, click on the menu, click on manage menu. And then what I'm going to do is click on add menu item, section, which page? This one, section, purple, click on done. And then we can just go ahead and save and preview. I think it's going to be exactly the same thing. I'm just wondering whether it's going to have the same animation or not. For reference, test anchor is going to look like this. And for the purple one, the section is going to also look like this. So it's pretty much almost exactly the same way or same thing. So one last thing is that if you want to set it up for a button even, I think that's also going to be possible. So let's just use this button as well. Click on settings, or let's just click on link, section or anchor, and then we can just go for the test anchor, this one right here, and click on that, preview. And if we click on it, it should actually take us down. So yeah, this is going to work for both menus and buttons or anything clickable actually. So even if you want to do it for this text, if you want, it's going to be exactly the same steps. Just go ahead and highlight it. And then once you do that, just go ahead and add a link to it like so. And obviously go to section or anchor and just select the anchor that you actually want and click on done. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and thanks for watching.